Hi, I'm CG Marie Matthew. This is screencast 1 for my MongoDB project. So, my project is based on pharmacy chain branches. So there are pharmacies and the branches related to that. And I will be demonstrating an aggregation query framework which is helpful for retrieving information from pharmacy chain branches. So first, let's import our collections and DB. So here 1,000 documents are being imported successfully here. Now let's go into the Mongo shell. Since I'm using Mac, I will be able to directly access through it terminal. So now use the be able to show the collection. So when we are importing this particular file, it is specifying this is the path we need to access our JSON file, and we need to create a pharmacy name. Like if it is exists, we need to use that. Otherwise, create pharmacy branch DB. And basically, if we have a already collections in pharmacy branch DB, it will basically delete all the existing data and import what we have specified in this path JSON file. Okay. So this is the question we will be trying to answer to this aggregation framework. Produce a multi-summary report for branches where pharmacy reputation is excellent, including average and total turnover by site type, average number of pharmacies by town, and total count of qualifying branches. So let's see how our collection is. So this query is used to see how our collection looks. So like we're looking at it, we will be able to know how to create our queries in MongoDB. So we will be able to filter and fetch the details accordingly to our requirement. So our first condition is where the pharmacy reputation is excellent. So let's see how many documents are there where the pharmacy reputation is excellent. You could see this 246. So if you are only using this match condition, we will be getting the around 246 documents as retrieved. So it is too much. So we won't be able to, like, adding different stages only we will be able to achieve our query requirement. Suppose we need to know the branches by site type. You can see the details are being fetched like this. Suppose we want to know the branches by town. Basically, it is showing this much data would be retrieved if you are running the query based on this. So let's go through the query. The first is the filter condition where the pharmacy reputation is excellent. You know it is 246, so there are so many details are there. So let's add one of the stage, which is the group stage. So if you are adding the group stage, we can see it is been filtered. We group the filter result by site type and calculate, and average turnover, the total number of managed per site, and also the total turnover. Okay. Let's add one more condition, like project. You can see the result. Basically, this cleans up our output by renaming ID into type, rounding average turnover into 2 decimal places, hiding the original ID field. So let's add some sorting also. So 3 conditions are here. So we can see the data is being sorted also. Suppose if we have like multiple summaries, how to handle that? There this facet will comes to our head. Like we need to turn over site by type, summarize the turnover by site type, average pharmacists by type, calculate average number of pharmacists in each town, total excellent branches, give a simple count of excellent branches. So we found these three summaries together, we need to use the phase set. You can see here first we are doing the machine addition. In the phase set we are grouping it, and we are also projecting it. These need to be like displayed, and also we are doing the sort. Then we are doing the second one and the third one. So basically phaselet help us to summarize like multiple pipeline conditions here. We can see the output. So by using different operators in the MongoDB, like we will be able to execute our queries and retrieve like different details that is very much useful to a client. Like in this case, in a pharmacy chain, if you want to do some critical decisions where they need to retrieve data from a very vast, like large data set, these queries are like really powerful and helpful to the organization or the pharmacy chain manager. Any application, it is really helpful.